This is a poblano. Now they're not real big of just yet, but I think I counted 18. Yes, 18 poblano peppers on this one single plant since I hit it with the. Hey everybody, it's Danny with Growing Together, a garden story where beginner gardeners come to grow. So want to take a look at something with me. So if you have seen any of my videos before, y'all know that this horseshoe bed used to be full of tomatoes. It is hot in East Texas, y'all. Heat index is over 100 every single day. I think I just read my AccuRite was reading 118 degree heat index. Absolutely ridiculous. But I've had some summer cleanup as I have taken all of the tomatoes out of this horseshoe bed and left it to the peppers. All except one of my favorites, the Loxton Last tomato. She is still putting on flowers, and I just got two beautiful tomatoes off of her. So I am keeping her in this bed for now, but the rest of this bed has been turned into nothing but peppers, a little bit of fertilizer, and they are going bonkers. Check out this habanada plant. Y'all, I don't even know how many peppers are on this plant. It's absolutely insane the number of habanada peppers I have growing on this plant. A month ago, I had gotten quite a few peppers off of this plant, and then it just seemed to stop producing. So I gave it a little boost with some Bloom Booster Fertilizer, and it, along with the rest of my pepper plants, have absolutely taken off and gone crazy. I'm getting such wild production out of my peppers since the Bloom Booster Fertilizer. Here's another pepper plant here that has really benefited from the Bloom Booster. This is a poblano. Now they're not real big of just yet, but I think I counted 18. Yes, 18 poblano peppers on this one single plant since I hit it with the not organic Bloom Booster Fertilizer. I can't remember the exact numbers on it, but I think it was a 948.7. I'm gonna have to look that up. Maybe I'll leave it in the comments below. But wow, what a huge difference the Bloom Booster has made. Look at all these cherry peppers. In the last 3 to 4 weeks since I fertilized these peppers, they have just gone crazy. All right, y'all, it is so hot outside. I have got to get back indoors. But if your peppers, you've noticed that they are starting to stall on you, it's because they're hot too. Try a Bloom Booster Fertilizer, one with the very high P number, the middle number, and see what your peppers will do for you. Man, it has made a huge difference with my peppers. Hey everybody, never stop learning, never stop growing. Thanks for watching.